Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you to Mrs. Neni Marlina as a lecturer in charge of the English course. Hi everyone, let us introduce ourselves as a group 6 with 4 member members. I am Lutfi Aura Darajatun as a moderator and speakers, Sasi as a speaker, Niken Maidia Yulistiani as a speakers, and Raya Ahwal Farido as a speakers. And here we will present the result of group poster, namely is the Situ Gede landmark. And the first material will be explained by myself. And number one, a history of Situ Gede. Situ Gede is a historic artificial lake located in Tasikmalaya, West Java. Its origin are closely related to the Dutch colonial period. In the 19th century, the Dutch built Situ Gede as part of an irrigation system to meet the agricultural needs from the area. The lake was built to regulate the flow and river water for irrigation purpose and played an important role in ensuring the water supply to nearby the field and outward crops. During the Dutch colonial period, Situ Gede became an integrated part of the agricultural structure held by the colonial government. Lake management is very important to maintain the productivity of land around the tablet area. Over time, the lake role as a source of agricultural water and has made it a popular location tourist destination. Situ Gede is also a lake that was formed naturally by the flow in the Pincir River divides in city into two. The story of Situ Gede is indeed interesting, considering its status as lake history record the star Situ Gede. Formerly known as Situ Gede Waluya, as was once a small lake that served the local community as a source of water and daily needs. However, in 1123, during the Dutch colonial period in Indonesia, the colonial government determined the lake to be expanded. The history of Situ Gede in Tasikmalaya is a topic of interesting to many people. Situ Gede is popular activity, those who want to learn more about the area. The name is Situ Besar has a meaning and significance in the local culture of Tasikmalaya. Tasikmalaya offers a unique tourist destination. To expand the Situ Gede, the lake was expanded and informed the depth over earlier.
Social values of Stugede Tasikmalaya. Stugede Tasikmalaya embodies several important social values for the local community. One of them is the value of history and environmental sustainability. This place shows the importance of preserving historical heritage as part of local identity, by raising awareness of the importance of protecting the natural environment. In addition, Situ Gede is also a social center for local residents and tourists. The space facilitates meetings, recreational activity, and sharing experience that strengthen relationships between individuals and communities. This, this emphasizes the values of society, collaboration, and solidarity in appreciating and enjoying the beauty of nature. The development of Situ Gede as a tourist attraction also has a positive impact the economy of the surrounding community, creating new jobs in the tourism industry and 1,236 strengthening of the local economy. Initiatives such as promoting local handicraft, regional specialties, and cultural events can provide opportunities for local communities to expand their product marketing to tourists. By combining historical values, environmental sustainability, social interaction, and positive economic impacts for the local community, Situ becomes more than just a tourist destination. This place reflects the close relationship between humans, history, nature, and sustainable development.
Number three, cultural value of Situ Gede Tasikmalaya. Cultural value are on the foundation of the nation. And number C, cultural values of Situ Gede Tasikmalaya. Cultural value are one of the foundation of the nation that strengthen nationalism and love for the country. In globalized life, cultural value also play a role in protecting society from global culture that has a negative impact. Ideology, global culture lifestyle, foreign culture, and other that can affect national stability and national life. The tourism sector can stimulate various producing sectors and make a direct contribution to the progress of its region, as well as encourage the implementation of cleanliness and health program, culture facility project, environmental protection, and other, and provider go to benefit and enjoy the community. Visitor who to enjoy the Situ Gede area can decide by raft available at Situ Gede or take a boat to go a pilgrimage on the dock of Prawudilaya. Before arriving at the island, fair visitor take a tour around the island will arrive at circle the East Island. Allowing visitor to enjoy the beautiful of the nature countryside. The wedding another coast of Situ Gede is very beautiful, and local say that if you look Situ Gede from above, is memory stars.
The economic of Situ Gede Tasikmalaya. MSMEs in this city have not been utilized as the mainstay of Tasikmalaya's economy. Situ micro, small and medium enterprises in Gede have expertise and challenges in developing their business. As a result, Situ Gede MSMEs are unable to provide privileges for Tasikmalaya city. MSME supervision problems include capital, raw materials and production factors, labor, transaction cost, marketing, and intellectual property rights or IPR. In order for creative economy-based MSMEs to advance in business world, cooperation from various stakeholders is needed. Not only the government and MSMEs actors, the community must also participate in development. Sukmana and Sarmidi 2019. The tourism development strategy implement is to develop the potential of tourism resources in the Situ Gede areas such as customs, pilgrimage tourism, and event tourism, able to increase in the diversity of tourism attraction by adopting more advanced attractions compared to other similar tourist attractions. For example, adding vehicles or to improving the quality of accessibility, improving tourism facilities, including information and security facilities.
Thank you for the presentation of the material for our group. That's all material from our group. We apologize if the are still many start coming. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.